coming soon. My reward is with me, and I will give to everyone according to what they had done. He's coming quickly, hallelujah. He's coming quickly, hallelujah. Let every knee shall bow, every tongue confess, He is Lord, He is Lord. Let every knee shall bow, every tongue confess, He is Lord, He is Lord.
Not only He gave me the right to become a son of God, He healed me from every sickness. Because Jesus alone is the greatest healer in this universe. And tonight I want to share a message with you called Jesus the Healer. Do you know that Jesus only ministered 3 years on this earth? Only 3 years. And still, 1/3 of the ministry of Jesus was healing the sick. Today, churches ignore the commandment to heal the sick. Because many people say that is not important. Just preaching the gospel is important. I'm sure you would have heard it. God only cares about our spirit, not so much about our bodies.
Pekmor ya ka bensiep om ya ka met jungi.
That's not what Jesus said.
Kamday ka taga mo Jisu ang.
That's not what Jesus said.
Kamday ka taga mo Jisu ang.
Do you know you cannot separate the ministry of healing from the gospel?
Hidip niya pimla pagpenpia ya ka jing syakri jong ka jing penkia na ka gospel jong mo Jisu Christ.
There are so many Christians who believe today that God does not heal anymore.
Dan shibon ki Kristan ang ilisigi bangen pa uplay jupen kia syo.
They say, He used to heal in the time of Acts of Apostles.
Ujong ki jong ba o lesi ujupen kia tang hagi kam jong kia apostle hagi ski jong kia apostle.
But He does not heal today.
Ben kia syo menta.
Well, if Jesus does not heal today,
Lada u Jisu ben kia hagi ski.
then His name is no longer I am. His name should be I was.
Kakerteng chungu kam day syo banong ngalong ubang ngalong hray ngajulong.
But one of the very first name that God revealed Himself to the people of Israelites was Jehovah Rapha. I am the God, your physician. I am the God, your healer.
Pagkawin ng kakerteng ka mo blay upanpaw yan di ikikon Israel kaya ngalong u Jehovah Rapha u blay u doctor unong ben kia jong pi.
And He hasn't changed His name.
Pat umpat pen kalaya lang jong kakerteng.
My Jesus was Jehovah Rapha 2,000 years ago. He is Jehovah Rapha today, and He shall be Jehovah Rapha.
Ublay jong awri Jehovah Rapha Mekshwa ublay jong awri Jehovah Rapha menta panigaban sa wanru uday u Jehovah